What question? What is your name? Answer. My name is Alex. Question. What do you do for a living? Answer. I'm a software engineer. Question. What time is it? Answer. It's 3 p.m. Question. What are you eating? Answer. I'm eating a sandwich. Question. What is your favorite color? Answer. My favorite color is blue. Where? Question. Where do you live? Answer. I live in New York. Question. Where is the nearest bank? Answer. It's 2 blocks down the street. Question. Where did you go on vacation? Answer. I went to Hawaii. Question. Where is my phone? Answer. It's on the table. Question. Where are you going? Answer. I'm going to the store. When? Question. When is your birthday? Answer. My birthday is on July 4th. Question. When does the meeting start? Answer. It starts at 10 a.m. Question. When will you arrive? Answer. I'll arrive at 6 p.m. Question. When did you move here? Answer. I moved here last year. Question. When is the next bus? Answer. The next bus is in 15 minutes. Why? Question. Why are you late? Answer. I missed my bus. Question. Why is the sky blue? Answer. It's due to the scattering of sunlight. Question. Why did you choose this job? Answer. I have a passion for technology. Question. Why are you crying? Answer. I watched a sad movie. Question. Why did you call me? Answer. I needed to ask you something. Who? Question. Who is your best friend? Answer. My best friend is Sarah. Question. Who are you talking to? Answer. I'm talking to my mom. Question. Who won the game? Answer. The Lakers won the game. Question. Who is your favorite author? Answer. My favorite author is J.K. Rowling. Question. Who will attend the meeting? Answer. John and Mary will attend the meeting. How? Question. How are you? Answer. I'm fine. Thank you. Question. How does this work? Answer. You press the button to start it. Question. How old are you? Answer. I'm 25 years old. Question. How was your day? Answer. My day was great. Thanks. Question. How much does this cost? Answer. It costs $20. Which? Question. Which is your car? Answer. The red one is mine. Question. Which do you prefer, coffee or tea? Answer. I prefer coffee. Question. Which way is the station? Answer. It's to the left. Question. Which book did you read? Answer. I read To Kill a Mockingbird. Question. Which color do you like best? Answer. I like blue best. Question. Can you help me? Answer. Yes, I can help you. Question. Can you swim? Answer. Yes, I can swim. Question. Can you speak Spanish? Answer. No, I can't speak Spanish. Question. Can you come to the party? Answer. Yes, I'll be there. Question. Can you pass the salt? Answer. Sure, here it is. Question. Could you lend me a pen? Answer. Yes, here you go. Question. Could you please repeat that? Answer. Sure. I said I'll be there at 6 p.m. Question. Could you close the window? Answer. Of course, I'll close it. Question. Could you help me with my homework? Answer. Yes, I'd be happy to help. Question. Could you tell me the time? Answer. It's 4:30 p.m. Question. Would you like some coffee? Answer. Yes, please. Question. Would you join us for dinner? Answer. I'd love to. Thank you. Question. Would you mind closing the door? Answer. Not at all. I'll close it. Question. Would you like to go for a walk? Answer. Sure. Let's go. Question. Would you help me move this? Answer. Yes, I'll help you. Question. Do you like pizza? Answer. Yes, I love pizza. Question. Do you play any sports? Answer. Yes, I play basketball. Question. Do you have a pet? Answer. Yes, I have a dog. Question. Do you know him? Answer. Yes, he's my neighbor. Question. Do you need any help? Answer. No, I'm fine. Thank you. Does question. Does he live here? Answer. Yes, he lives here. Question. Does she speak French? Answer. Yes, she speaks French fluently. Question. Does this bus go to the airport? Answer. Yes, it does. Question. Does it rain often here? Answer. Yes, it rains quite often. Question. Does your brother like to read? Answer. Yes, he loves reading. Did you see the movie? Answer. Yes, I saw it last night. Question. Did you finish your homework? Answer. Yes, I finished it. Question. Did they arrive on time? Answer. No, they were late. Question. Did you call your mom? Answer. Yes, I called her this morning. Question. Did he pass the exam? Answer. Yes, he passed with flying colors. Question. Have you been to Paris? Answer. Yes, I visited last summer. Question. Have you eaten lunch? Answer. Yes, I ate an hour ago. Question. Have you read this book? Answer. Yes, it's one of my favorites. Question. Have you ever tried sushi? Answer. Yes, I love it. Question. Have you seen my keys? Answer. Yes, they're on the counter. Question. Has she arrived? Answer. Yes, she arrived an hour ago. Question. Has he finished the project? Answer. No. He's still working on it. Question. Has it stopped raining? Answer. Yes, the rain stopped a while ago. What question? What is your name? Answer. My name is Alex.